Hello little explorers, join the Sandbox Safari Squad on an exciting expedition through the miniature wilderness of the Sandbox. In this educational adventure, kids will embark on a journey to discover the fascinating world of farm animals and insects, unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge along the way. Kids will delight in learning about the diverse range of farm animals that call the Sandbox home. So let's go! Now get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color and the quality of their wool. Sheep have good memories, they can remember faces and complex spatial structure for years. Unraveling the secrets of nature, the panda. Pandas are primarily herbivores and their diet consists almost entirely of bamboo. They are known for their distinctive black and white fur with black patches around their eyes and ears. Pandas are generally solitary animals and they have a large territory. Unlocking the mysterious charm of cats. Cats are territorial animals and they mark their territory by rubbing their scent glands on objects, including their owners. Cats have highly flexible spines, allowing them to twist and turn their bodies in mid-air, and cats have remarkable reflexes. The amazing journeys of reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in the harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Reindeers are known for their long-distance migrations. They can cover hundreds of miles in search of food, often moving in large herds. Let's move on to the next animal, goat. Goats are highly versatile animals. They are raised for various purposes including meat, milk, fiber such as cashmere and mohair, and as pets, and they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs and vines rather than grass. Next stop in the animal kingdom is bear. There are 8 recognized bear species: American black bear, polar bear, brown bear, Asiatic black bear, sloth bear, sun bear, spectacled bear, and giant panda. Bears are found on 4 continents: North America, a deep dive into the lives of these graceful llama. Llamas have been traditionally used as pack animals in the Andes, carrying goods over rough and mountainous terrain. Llamas have a soft and woolly coat that can come in various colors, including white, black, Let's dive into the world of wolves. Wolves are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, elk and moose. Wolves are highly intelligent animals. They demonstrate problem-solving skills, strategic thinking in hunting. And wolves are highly adaptable animals. Our next tiny creature is honeybee. Honeybees are social insects and live in colonies consisting of 3 main castes: queen, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees are renowned for their production of honey by collecting nectar from flowers. Honeybees are career pollinators. Creator feature the clever fox. Foxes are highly adaptable animals and can thrive in various environments, from forest and mountains to urban areas. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Many fox species are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Meet the masked bandit raccoon. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals known for their distinctive black mask markings around their eyes. Adult raccoons typically weigh between 10 to 30 pounds, with males being larger than females. They have a bushy tail with alternating dark and light rings. Journey into the animal kingdom. Anteater. Anteaters have powerful elongated claws adapted for digging into termite mounds and ant nests. The claws are also used for self-defense against predators. Despite their slow and lumbering appearance, anteaters are quite efficient hunters. Unveiling the mighty rhinoceros. There are 5 extant species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Rhinos communicate using a variety of sounds, including snorts. They also use body language such as ear and tail movements. Our next stop, the enigmatic hippopotamus. Hippos are known for their territorial nature and are considered one of the most aggressive animals in Africa. They are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than other large animals. Hippos are herbivores. They mainly feed on grass. Up close with the amazing caterpillar. While many caterpillars are solitary, some species exhibit social behavior, living and feeding together in groups. This behavior is seen in species like the tent caterpillars. Caterpillars are voracious eaters, consuming large quantities of leaves and other plant parts. Appreciating the diversity of spiders. Spiders belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes scorpions, ticks, and mites. They are not insects but are arachnids, sharing certain common features like having 8 legs. Spiders are known for producing silk, a substance that they use for various purposes. Unveiling the mysteries of scorpions. Scorpions belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders, ticks, and mites. They are not insects but are more closely related to spiders. Fossils records suggest that scorpions existed in the Silurian period around 430 million years ago. Meet the stag beetle up close. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of a stag beetle is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months, with most of their life spent as larvae underground. A closer look at the tiger kingdom. Tigers are generally solitary animals, with males and females coming together only for mating. A mother may stay with her cubs until they are old enough to fend for themselves. and they are powerful hunters and mainly prey on large mammals such as deer, wild boar, and water buffalo. Prepare to witness the majesty of the lion. Lions are powerful animals capable of reaching speeds of around 35 mph in short bursts. They also have strong jaws and sharp claws. Lions are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates like wildebeest, zebras, and buffaloes, and can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. Polar bears are strong swimmers. Discover the beauty of these giants. Elephant. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions. They have large and well-developed brains. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia, with specific species adapted to different climates and habitats. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as endangered. Desert nomads, the life and times of camels. Camels are well adapted to harsh desert environments. Camels are often associated with nomadic cultures as they have been used as pack animals for centuries. Camels have a relatively long lifespan for a large mammal. They can live up to 40 years with proper care and living conditions. The power, poise, and passion of horses. Horses are known for their speed, and horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. However, they have a blind spot directly in front and behind them. Horses are social animals and they sleep for short periods throughout the day and night, totaling about 2 to 4 hours per day. Thank you for watching our Farm Animals and Insects Expedition for Kids episode. Don't miss out on the excitement. Subscribe to Sandbox Safari Squad and embark on unforgettable adventures with our team of intrepid explorers. Until the next adventure, bye bye little explorers.